Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. So today we're having a look at MSAB XAMN Pro, and we're going to be focusing on chat messages. Chat messages are part of everyday life for most people nowadays, so they're obviously going to be involved in a lot of your investigations. Let's have a look at how to use the conversation view in XAMN. So you can see here we have a very busy case. And rather than just go to all artifacts, let's be direct and targeted with our approach. So once we select the chat app that we're interested in, for example here WhatsApp, we select WhatsApp, which is going to open any WhatsApp data that we have available. Now this could be the actual conversations themselves, it could be database files, it could be images. But the best way of viewing a chat is obviously in conversation view, how the user would have viewed it on their handset. How do we do that? We go up to the top, which is where our views exists, and at the moment we're viewing it in list. We simply go down and we choose conversations. Now here we are sorted by newest first, as indicated here. Straight away I'm going to change this to count highest first. I'm interested in the most popular chats on this device. This allows me to see the chats that are being used by the user. Now once I select one of the chats, the right hand side is going to show me details of that chat. And you can see here I've sorted by oldest first. This is how it would be presented to the user. We also have a couple of options of viewing just the chat thread, or we can just view attachments if we're just interested in those. We also have the very handy function of just exporting that chat out as a PDF. Very simple and effective. We hope that you've enjoyed today's MSAB Monday and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.